Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to do two questions of joint products and byproducts. The first question is this. Let us read it. A factory producing article A also produces a byproduct B which is further processed into finished products. The joint cost of manufacture is given below, that is material 5,000, labor 3,000, overheads 2,000. The subsequent cost in rupees are given below. Material cost 3,000, 1,500, that is for product A and product B. Labor and overheads is also given to us. If you see, this is the subsequent cost. What do you mean by subsequent cost? Means the further processing cost. Now the selling expenses are for A 16,000, selling price, and for B 8,000. Estimated profit on selling price are 25% for A and 20% for B. Assume that selling and distribution expenses are in proportions to the sales price. Show how you would apportion the joint cost of manufacture and prepare a statement showing the cost of production of product A and B. So now we have to distribute the cost, our joint cost between product A and B. So let us think about the methods. The first method is the physical output method. Is the physical output given to us? No, it's not given to us. So we cannot follow that method. Average cost method? No, we cannot do that. Again, for the similar reason. Next is your net contribution. Have they given us any details of the selling price or the variable cost? Selling price is there, but variable cost is not there. So we cannot follow that. Next is the survey method. Survey method, they should have given, it's a theoretical method. They should have given us the values, that's not given. The next is market value method. Under that, if you see, they have given us the profits. They have told us that there is selling and distribution expenses, plus they have given us the details for the further processing also. So which method do we need to follow? We need to follow the net realizable value method. So let me prepare the statement, that is statement for calculation of joint cost apportion under NRV method. So particulars, product A and product B. Let us start our NRV method. So we start with sales. Now sales is given to us as 16,000 and 8,000. B. After sales, what do? We deduct our profits. So less profits. Profit is given to us as 25% for A and 20% for B. So 25% of 16,000 and 20% of 8,000. So what we get here is our total cost. Total cost, that is equal to 16,000 minus 4,000 and 8,000 minus 1,600. Now this is our total cost. Let us have one more column for total. So our total cost is 18,400. Now out of this 18,400, we know that this is our further processing cost. So let me first remove the further processing cost from here. That is 3,000 plus 1,400 plus 600, and here it would be 1,500 plus 1,000 plus 500, and the total being 8,000. So after further processing, what cost remains is the selling and distribution cost and our joint cost, which is not yet apportioned. That would be 12,000 minus 5,000 and 6,400 minus 3,000, 18,000 minus 8,000. If you see, this is equal to 10,400. Now what is our joint cost? See, this is both. This has selling and distribution expenses as well as joint cost. Now have they given us any figure for selling and distribution expenses? No. तो मैम हम एक काम करते हैं, सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कॉस्ट को हम जीरो ले लेते हैं. नो, वी कैन नॉट कंसिडर इट जीरो, क्योंकि इन लोग ने यहाँ लिखा है दैट सेलिंग एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एक्सपेंसेस आर इन प्रपोर्शन ऑफ द सेल्स प्राइजेस. सो अगर उन्होंने लिखा है कि यहाँ पे है तो वी विल हैव टू कंसिडर इट. सो लेट अस फर्स्ट डू अ वर्किंग नोट. That is calculation of selling and distribution cost. Now the selling and joint cost total that we have is 10,400. Now out of this, if I remove the joint cost, we have the joint cost here, that is 5,000 plus 3,000 plus 2,000, total being 10,000. So what I get is the selling and distribution cost, which is equal to 400. Now this is my selling and distribution cost. Let me use it here. Less selling and distribution cost. Selling and distribution cost I have already taken as 400. Now in what ratio do I need to divide it? They are saying that it has to be in proportion to the sales prices. So the ratio would be 16,000 is to 8,000. That is 2:1. So 400 into 2 by 3 and 400 into 1 by 3. 400. What we get, what our balancing figure is the joint cost apportioned. That is equal to 7,000 minus this, similarly here, and our total cost being 10,000, which is matching to our joint cost. So this is the joint cost apportionment. Now after apportioning the joint cost, they are also asking us to prepare a statement showing the cost of production for A and B. So we are going to prepare a statement for calculation of cost of production of A and B. Let me copy the same format. Now cost of production, joint cost, we have apportioned it, that is 6733.33 and 3266.67, and we are going to add our further processing cost here. Further processing cost 5,000 and 8,000. 3,000. So are we going to add selling and distribution? No, we are not going to add selling and distribution, because what they have asked is just the cost of production. So what we get is the cost of production, that is this plus this, similarly this, and this is our cost of production ready. If you have any doubt, please do write in the comment section. So this we are done with this question. Now let us go ahead to the next question. This is a very interesting question, and I would say that one of the favorite questions which the institute asks you. You will find it in almost all the books, and it also has a new addition or a new part to it which I have not taught you till now. So, the Sunshine Oil Company purchases crude vegetable oil. It does refining of the same. The refining process results in 4 products produced at the split off point, that is MNOP. So there is crude vegetable oil. That crude vegetable oil is refined, and at the end you get 4 products, that is M, N, O and P. Now these all 4 products are at split off point. This point is the split off point. Product O is fully processed at the split off point itself. Product M and P can be individually further refined into super M, super N and super P. So M is further refined into super M, N is further refined into super N, O is fully processed, and P is further refined into super P. Now let's go ahead. In the most recent month, October, the output at the split off point was output in gallons, that is 3 lakh gallons. Oh, they have given for M and P. So gallons, then we have 1 lakh gallons, 50,000 gallons and 50,000 gallons. And let's go ahead. The joint cost of purchasing the crude vegetable oil and processing it is rupees 40 lakhs. So here the joint cost is 40 lakhs. Sunshine has had no beginning and ending inventory. Sale of product O in October were 20 lakhs. So this sale is 20 lakhs. The output of M and P was further refined and then sold. Data relating to sales in October were under. So super M, the further processing cost is 80 lakhs, 32 lakhs and 36 lakhs, and the sale value is 120 lakhs, 40 lakhs and 48 lakhs. Sunshine had the option of selling product M and P at the split off point also. This would have yielded sales revenue of 20 lakhs. So here they would have got 20 lakhs, 12 lakhs and 28 lakhs respectively for October production. How the joint cost of 40 lakhs would be allocated between the products under each of the following methods: sale value at split off, physical output and estimated net realizable value. So this is our table. Our table is ready, and based on this table we are going to finish our question. Yes, let's go ahead. Now, first method, let me make the table first with the name saying statement for joint cost apportionment, and particulars product M, N, O and P. So, this is my table. Yes, let's continue. So first method given to us is the sale value at split off method. So A, sale value at split off method. So we are going to first write down the selling price or the sales at split off. Let me call it as point number 1. Sales at split off is given to us as 20 lakhs. All the amounts are in lakhs. 12 lakhs. Since O is sold only at split off, 20 lakhs and 28 lakhs. I am also going to have a total column here because that makes my work easier. Total 80 lakhs. Now I have to distribute the cost on this basis. Apportionment. The total joint cost is 40 lakhs. So 40 lakhs into 40 lakhs in the ratio of A1. So 40 into 20 divided by 80. Similarly, for these as well, if you see, the total is 40 lakhs. The next is the physical output method. Physical output method, now they are saying it has to be in gallons. So what is my physical output given? Physical output is 3 lakh, 1 lakh, 50,000 and 50,000. Since everything is in lakhs, I have written down this also in lakhs. And my joint cost apportionment in the ratio of physical output would be let me make this point as B, this as 1. So that would be 40 lakhs into 3 divided by the total of the output, that is 5 lakhs, 24 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 4 lakhs and 4 lakhs. So our next method is the net realizable value method. Now for this we start with our sales. Our sales would be the final sale value, that is 120 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 20 lakhs and 48 lakhs. Less our, now profit is not there in the question, selling and distribution is not there. What we have is the further processing cost, that is given to us as 80 lakhs, here as 32 lakhs, here 0 and here 36 lakhs. So what we get is our estimated NRV, that is equal to 40 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 20 lakhs and 12 lakhs, giving us a total of 80 lakhs. Now we will distribute our cost on the basis of this. Let me take this from here. On the basis of C1, that is equal to our 40 lakhs, that is our joint cost, into 40 lakhs divided by total of 80 lakhs, that is equal to 20. Similarly for others as well, and if you see, the total here is 40 lakhs. So with this we are done with the first part. Part 2 is very interesting. Could Sunshine have increased its October profit by making different decisions about the further refining of the product MNP? This is a part of management accounting where you need to take a decision on further processing. Now, the decision what they are asking us to take is, if you can see, M, N and P are getting further processed and they are getting sold at a higher value. Now, they are saying that is the decision to continue the product, to do the further processing, to continue the further processing is right or not. Let us see. For any kind of decision which involves further processing, we need to take the approach of incremental revenue or incremental profit or loss. So I am doing the second part here, where statement showing the increase or decrease in profit due to further processing will be dealt with. Now, this is my statement. I will not take O here because O is anyways completely processed. There is no further processing for that. We don't have to take any further processing decision for that. We have M, N and P. So, let us start. Now, for increase or the incremental profit or loss, we will have to see first our incremental revenue. Now, what is our incremental revenue? The revenue, what is your revenue that you are getting after further processing? You are getting 120 lakhs, 40 lakhs and you are getting 48 lakhs. After further processing. If you don't further process, what is the revenue that you will get? Revenue at split off, that is equal to 20 lakhs, 12 lakhs and 28 lakhs. That means if you don't sell, your revenue would be at split off. If you don't further process, your revenue will be at split off. If you further process, the revenue would be after further processing. The difference between them is the extra revenue that you are earning due to further processing. So, your revenue, incremental revenue is 100 lakhs. Due to further processing, you have earned extra revenue of 128 and 20. But for earning this extra revenue, how much extra spending did you do? That would be incremental cost. Now, incremental cost for further processing, your incremental cost is only the further processing cost. That means to earn an extra revenue of 800 lakhs, you have gone through this process, and in this process you have spent how much? You have spent 80 lakhs. So 80 lakhs. For N it is 32 lakhs and 36 lakhs. Ma'am, why haven't you taken joint cost here? Joint cost is a cost which you have incurred before the split off point itself. Whether you do the further processing or you do not do the further processing, you will have to bear this 40 lakhs. There is no way out that you can save this 40 lakhs. So that is why it is out of our decision. It is irrelevant for our decision making. So I have got the incremental revenue and the incremental cost. What I get is the increase or decrease in profit due to further processing. So if I take the difference between my incremental cost and incremental revenue, I see that product M, due to further processing, it is increasing my profit by 20 lakhs, whereas N and P, we are reducing our profit. इसका मतलब क्या है? देखो, हमने रेवेन्यू कितना अर्न किया? 28 lakhs N से. But to earn this profit of 28 lakhs, to earn a revenue of extra 28 lakhs, आपने 32 lakhs spend किया. तो मतलब you have spent 4 lakhs more which is not right. आपने 28 lakhs extra earn करने के लिए आपने 32 lakhs extra spend किया. So obviously इसको हमको further process नहीं करना चाहिए. So coming to further processing decision, our further processing decision should be further process. These two, since they are decreasing our profit, should be sell at split off. And similarly for this, show the effect of change you recommend on the operating profit. So because of this change, your profit will increase by rupees 20 lakhs. इसका तो हमने डिसीजन चेंज किया ही नहीं, इसको हम लोग पहले भी फर्दर प्रोसेस कर रहे थे, अब भी फर्दर प्रोसेस कर रहे हैं. सो देयर इज नो चेंज इन दिस डिसीजन. वी हैव चेंज द डिसीजन फॉर एन एंड पी. नाउ एन एंड पी, सिंस वी आर टेलिंग देम टू सेल एट स्प्लिट ऑफ, अपना कितना लॉस बच जाएगा? 20 lakhs का लॉस बच जाएगा. दैट मीन्स आवर प्रॉफिट विल गो अप बाई 20 lakhs. So this is the solution for this question. I hope now you are comfortable with joint products and byproducts. In my next video, we are going to take a very lengthy question of gross margin NRV method. Stay tuned.